Hi, I'm Hal Johnson.
And I'm Joanne McLeod from Body Break.
As we age, our dietary and nutritional needs change. We need more of certain nutrients, like protein, found in fish, eggs, and other sources to help keep our muscles and bones strong, as well as vitamin D and calcium, together support bone and muscle strength. Eating enough good food and getting proper nutrition can help reduce the risk of frailty and help you live well longer.
Food is medicine, and what you cook and eat doesn't have to be difficult, time-consuming, or expensive. Here's one of our favorites, a quick chili recipe. Add 1 chopped medium onion and 15 milliliters of minced garlic or 2 cloves of garlic pressed into your cooking pot and let sit for 5 minutes to enhance the health-promoting properties. Once that's done, add to the pot a can of drained black beans, a can of diced tomatoes, and 15 milliliters of chili powder. Stir, cover, and let simmer for about 20 minutes. You can be creative with this chili recipe and add meat and/or more veggies if you choose. Personalize it with extra nutrients from corn, cubed sweet potatoes, or cauliflower. Or you might like to add extra lean beef or ground turkey to boost the protein content. Top with sour cream and cilantro.
Chili is great any time of the year, and you can freeze it for leftovers later.
If you'd like more information to avoid frailty, check out the website at avoidfrailty.ca. It's all about taking control of your health. Until next time, keep fit and have fun. Bon appetit.